today's the big day. I'm heading off to the auction yard to get a industrial low pressure steamer to hopefully finish off my sterilization of my grow bags. Now, to be honest, I'm expecting this thing to be a great big pile of shit and have to put in a lot of elbow grease and probably some coin to get it up and running. But the other way I was doing it was way too time consuming. I had over 12 hours into sterilizing one grow bag, and it's just it's not feasible for 900 gallons of soil. So this is my other option. I paid $400 with tax for it. Likely it doesn't work, but I'm excited to go see what I got and see if we can get it running and get my plants in the ground for June 1st. So I'll turn you back on when okay, we won't turn you back on. We will continue the show when we get to the auction yard. Alright, see you then. Okay, so we made it, but it's not looking so good. I think I might have wasted $400. Let's take a look. So here she is in all its glory. I'm not even sure what I'm looking at, but it looks like it's been sitting for a little while. So let's get this piece of scrap home and see if anything works on it and how many leaks there are. What did I do?